Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us. In today's video, we will introduce the Winmate M900AD 8-inch Windows rugged tablet, a reliable solution designed for public inspection applications and built to perform in harsh industrial environments. Public inspection teams often face several challenges during on-site work. First, strong sunlight can make the screen difficult to read, and over time, this may cause visual fatigue during long outdoor tasks. Second, field teams often need to handle large amounts of data. If the device cannot process these workloads smoothly, tasks may load slowly and delay the inspection workflow. Third, inspection staff need to send data, photos, and work updates in real time. When connectivity is unstable, it becomes harder to keep information flowing and tasks moving forward. Fourth, outdoor environments can be rainy, dusty, or unpredictable. Without proper protection, water or dust ingress may cause device failures and increase maintenance costs. That is why public inspection teams need more than just a standard tablet. Now, let me first introduce the Winmate M900AD. The key specifications include the display, which we will cover in more detail in the next section. With its 26.8mm slim housing, the M900AD is easy to hold, carry, and operate during field inspections. It is powered by the Intel Core i5-120U processor, with optional memory of up to 16 GB and optional 512 GB or 1 TB SSD storage. For the operating system, the M900AD comes with Windows 11 IoT Enterprise by default, with Windows 10 IoT Enterprise available as an option. It also includes front and rear cameras for field documentation, along with built-in sensors to support mobile operation. For easier control, the tablet provides physical buttons and 3 programmable function keys, allowing users to quickly access common tasks. In terms of security and device management, the M900AD supports TPM 2.0 and SODI Mobi control compliance, helping organizations manage devices more securely and efficiently. Next, let's look at the display performance. The M900AD features an 800 nit high brightness display, helping inspection staff clearly view maps, work orders, and photos during daytime outdoor tasks. As you can see from the picture, the contrast ratio is also important for viewing data and chart details clearly. With a 1500:1 high contrast ratio, the screen provides better clarity and detail visibility, especially when checking inspection data in the field. It also uses optical bonding to reduce reflection and glare under strong light, improving readability in outdoor environments. The IPS panel helps maintain clear visibility from different viewing angles, making the M900AD easier to operate in real inspection scenarios. Powered by the Intel Core i5-120U processor, the M900AD delivers superior computing power for data-heavy field operations. It helps inspection teams process large GIS maps, task records, and asset information quickly, while supporting smooth multitasking across multiple field applications. This allows users to keep inspection workflows running efficiently and make faster decisions on site. Next, the M900AD helps inspection teams stay connected in the field. With WLAN and Bluetooth, users can connect to wireless networks, peripherals, and nearby sensors more easily. For outdoor and remote operations, the optional 5G or 4G LTE provides wide-area mobile connectivity, helping teams send inspection data, photos, and work updates in real time. The built-in GPS and GLONASS support precise location tracking, route planning, and asset management during field tasks. The RJ45 GigaLAN port also offers stable wired connectivity when a reliable data transfer connection is required. These connectivity options help inspection teams maintain smooth, real-time communication and respond faster during on-site operations. Public inspection work often takes place in harsh environments, from rainy conditions to dusty work sites, so the device needs to keep working even when conditions are not ideal. With IP66 protection, the M900AD helps prevent water and dust ingress, while PCAP Touch with glove and rain mode allows users to operate the screen even with gloves or wet hands. For mobile field tasks, MIL-STD81H shock and vibration compliance helps the tablet maintain reliable performance on the move. The 5FT drop resistance also adds extra durability against accidental drops during daily inspection work. Together, these rugged features help reduce downtime and keep inspection teams operating smoothly, even in harsh on-site environments. The Winmate M900AD is ready for real-world public inspection applications. From wind power equipment inspection and road maintenance to water pipeline inspection and forestry patrols, inspection teams often work across different outdoor environments and task conditions. The Winmate M900AD combines rugged durability, reliable connectivity, sunlight-readable visibility, and portable operation in one compact device. This makes it an ideal choice for organizations looking to deploy rugged tablets to public inspection teams and support efficient field operations. For more information about the M900AD tablet or Winmate's solutions for different industry environments, please visit the Winmate website or scan the QR code on the screen. You can also follow Winmate on LinkedIn for the latest news and updates. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.